Good morning, students. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Welcome back to the class. Let's begin with the last part, that is part 4. New words and meanings. Boulder, a stone of around 1 foot diameter. Right? So boulder is actually a stone, a big stone. What would be the size of the stone? If you combine 7 to 8 volleyballs or footballs, what would be the size? That size of that size stone, a big stone. It's not a rock. A big stone is called a boulder. Acquaintance is actually familiarity, जिसे हम पहचानते हैं. वो लोग भी हो सकते हैं जिन्हें हम पहचानते हैं, या कोई जगह हो सकती है जिसे हम पहचानते हैं. सो दैट इज़ कोई भी चीज़ या कोई भी लोग जिसे हम पहचानते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड familiar, or we call it acquaintance. Asylum, it's not asylum, it's asylum. It's a shelter for mentally ill people. You can call it mental hospital also. Affluence is abundance of wealth, बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा होना, to become rich. Okay, Bipin Babu is affluent. Okay, he is rich, he is affluent. Unfeeling is uncaring, the one who does not care for others, who does not feel anything about others. So insensitive, you can say, self-centered, selfish, unfeeling. Prescribe is a word we use, that doctor prescribes medicines, to suggest medicine for patients. So we don't say but doctor suggests, but we say doctor prescribes medicines. He writes medicines on paper, we say prescribes. Now there are phrases, group of words. You can see in the first phrase there are 2 words, at and once, right? In the third one there are 3 words. So that is, a group of words is called a phrase. At once means immediately. I want my book back at once. Abhi mujhe meri book wapas chahiye, at once. Came around, meaning is given on page number 69. Down on his luck is having bad luck. Chunilal was down on his luck. In retribution of, meaning is, its meaning is given on page number 70. Its meaning is to take revenge of, किसी से बदला लेना. That is in retribution of. See one through, that is to have ample supply for one. That is बहुत ज़्यादा सुख सुविधाएं पास होना. See one through, that is जैसे it will, the money will see me through for a month, but the money will see through me for the month. यानी 1 महीने तक मुझे चलेगा, उतने पैसे मेरे पास है. ठीक है. So this is what about words and meanings. Let's go for. Now let's begin with the summary part of part 4. Right. So summary of part 4 is, if you remember that in part 3, Dr. Chanda, Paresh Chanda has suggested, advised Bipin Babu to go for a visit to Ranchi once again. So if he goes there, when he'll see the familiar and acquainted places and people, he'll definitely remember about something about Ranchi trip. So he booked a train ticket, and he caught the train and went to Ranchi. In part 4, the part 4 begins with, Bipin Babu reached Ranchi by train, and after when he got down the railway station, he thought that he had never come to this place in his life. Right, he didn't remember anything looking at the Ranchi railway station. Then he drove, that is, he hired a car and drove around the whole city of Ranchi. He went to different places, but while watching all those places, he didn't feel like he had ever been there. अब इससे पहले कभी वहाँ गया था ऐसा लगा ही नहीं. And then he realized that Parimal Ghosh was telling him that he took him to Hudru Fall, right? So he thought to go to Hudru Falls also. And when he went there, he was so much disappointed there. And at Hudru Falls, he might have stumbled. वो गिर गया होगा, right? And 2 Gujarati picnickers. There were many picnickers. There are many people who came for picnic to Hudru Falls, right? So 2 Gujarati picnickers, they found Bipin Babu lying unconscious, बेहोश हो गया था, lying unconscious near the boulder at Hudru Falls. So they help him out, and when this fellow came round, यानी वापस होश में आना, came round, when Bipin Babu came round, he said that I am finished. Why he said I am finished? मुझे कुछ भी नहीं याद रहा है. I do not remember anything about the trip to Ranchi. So he thought that there is something severely wrong with his memory. He was so much worried about his health, and he thought that just like his brother, even he would become mad and he would be sent to the asylum, mental asylum. So he was very much scared. Next morning he went back to Kolkata, and he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked to visit him. But after taking a shower, when he was lying in bed, at that time his servant came inside his room and handed him one letter, gave him a letter, and the letter was in green envelope, and on that green envelope it was written very urgent and confidential with red ink. So he got very curious, what was it? He was not feeling well, but still he opened the envelope to see what was written in the letter. So Bipin Babu started reading the letter. The letter was written by Chunilal, his old friend, his school friend. So he wrote in letter that Bipin Babu had become very rich, right? And because of that, he has become very unfeeling and uncaring and insensitive. This Chunilal, because he was jobless, he had no job, he was coming every now and then off and on to Bipin Babu for help. He requested so many times to Bipin Babu to find one job, but Bipin Babu did not respond to him. Bipin Babu did not help him find the job. So he got very angry with Bipin Babu, and he thought of teaching a lesson to Bipin Babu, to take revenge on Bipin Babu. So what he said, that I had nothing, I had no job, but I had very good imagination. He said that he had very good power of imagination, and with that imagination he had played a prank. उसने उसके ऊपर trick, मस्ती की, मजाक किया. He played a prank on Bipin Babu with the help of his friends Parimal Ghosh and Dinesh Mukherjee. If you remember, these two people were also there who said yes, you had been to Ranchi and all that. So with the help of Dinesh Mukherjee and Parimal Ghosh, Chunilal played a trick on Bipin Babu. He fooled him, and because of this prank, Bipin Babu had suffered a lot. He was tortured, he was harassed by Chunilal. And then Chunilal says that now because you have read this letter, you must be very much relaxed again, so no worries. And now I am also all right. I have written one novel. That's why he says that he was very good at imagination. Yes, he was very good at imagination, right? And he had written a novel, and one of the publisher, the one who published books, right? So one of the publisher considered his novel, and he was going to see it. Chunilal says that if the publisher likes the novel, then he will have enough money to last for at least a few months. थोड़ा बहुत पैसा उसके बाद काफ़ी टाइम के बाद आएगा, जो कुछ महीनों तक तो एटलीस्ट चलेगा. So that's why he says that money will see him through for months. So this is how he has told the whole thing, the truth to Bipin Babu. And then Bipin Babu, when he finished reading the letter, he was relaxed, right? He had a great sigh of relief. And that time Dr. Chanda entered his room, and Dr. Chanda, when Bipin Babu saw Dr. Chanda, he said, nothing, doctor. When I reached Ranchi, immediately I remembered everything. Now actually he was saying lie. He was not telling the truth to Dr. Chanda, because he did not want Dr. Chanda to know that his friend has fooled him. उसको उल्लू बनाया, वो तो फिर उसका तो इंसल्ट हो जाएगा. डॉक्टर चंदा को लगेगा ये तो मूर्ख है. So that's why he did not tell the truth to Dr. Chanda and said, उसने झूठ बोला कि जैसे ही रांची पहुंचा तो मुझे सब याद आ गया डॉक्टर. I just call you, and then he gave an excuse that I just call you here because at Hudru in Ranchi I had a fall. मैं गिर गया था and I got injured at hip and my hip is paining. So please give some painkiller to me, and for that I have called you. So this is how he has learnt a lesson. Okay, so that's the end of the chapter. I request you to read the entire chapter, to write the words and meanings, to write the phrases and meanings, to make sentences using these phrases and new words, and also write the question answers that I will share with you in the group. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the lesson, and you must be remembering that this kind of incident. Have you ever been tricked by any friend or something? You can also share one of the incident of such incident that happened with you with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.